everyone, this is Attorney Lin Wang. Today, I want to talk about a topic, how to choose trustees to make my trust to be executed smoothly after my pass away. Because who is a trustee? A trustee is the person who will execute your trust to distribute your assets to the beneficiaries in the trust after you pass away. So a trustee is really very, very important for a trust to be used correctly and smoothly. So it is really very important to choose the correct and appropriate trustees. Who will be a trustee in general? In general, most people will designate their beneficiaries as trustees because they know after they pass away, the beneficiaries will take over their assets. So why can't the beneficiaries be the managers of the assets at the same time or trustees? That makes sense. However, if trustees cannot work well with each other, it can be a problem. First, perhaps some people have more than one beneficiary, and the beneficiaries have inherently not good relationship. For example, I have a client who passed away with his current wife and his son from a prior relationship. And of course, we can imagine the son and the wife have a bad relationship with each other. And both of them as the beneficiaries, both of them as the trustees. So when they execute the trust, they cannot agree with each other. They need to sign together to recover the assets from the deceased estates, but they cannot coordinate with each other. So they don't agree to sign the documents together, which make it hard for either of them to get the money. And second, perhaps it is not about beneficiaries, but the beneficiary herself cannot be the trustee at the same time. For example, I have a case. The beneficiary is a girl who is under 18 years old. And for an obvious reason, a minor child cannot be a trustee. So in this trust, the deceased person, the child's father, designated his mother or the beneficiary's grandmom on father's side as the trustee. However, the mom has a bad relationship with the girl's mom, like her daughter-in-law. Because of the reason, the mom refused to give the money to the daughter because according to the trust, it specifies that the trustee shall distribute the money to the girl only when the trustee thinks it is necessary and appropriate. So the mom has a very, very big right, has a very free discretion to say, okay, I don't think it is necessary and appropriate to distribute the money from the trust property of my son to my granddaughter in this situation, which ends up that the girl cannot get the father's estates for a long time, and the girl's mom is suffering from such a result. So this is my suggestion. First, you need to think about whether the trustees you designate can really work well with each other without causing many troubles. And second, if you cannot choose such trustees, for example, in our first case, because the deceased husband has a current wife, has a child from a prior relationship, he just cannot give up any person, and he doesn't think it is good to designate any of them as the sole trustee because he thinks it shows her his bias. And in the second case, the dad just cannot designate his wife or the girl's mom as the trustee because he is afraid that the mom will remarry and which will harm the interest of his girl. So that's why he designates his mom as the trustee. So in this situation, if you just cannot find appropriate trustees who will work very well with each other, my second suggestion is to make your trust clear about what to distribute. For example, instead of saying, I want my trustee to have the very big discretion to decide when and how to distribute the assets to my beneficiaries, you can say very specifically, for example, my trustee shall distribute $50,000 per month or per year to my beneficiary. In this way, even if trustees cannot work well with each other, they have to follow your rules, and they have to distribute the specific amount of money to your beneficiaries after you pass away. So even if they have very bad relationship with each other, they have to work in this way without argument. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am attorney Lin Wang, and if you need free consultation of trusts and wills, please find my information in the description column. And we do give free one-on-one consultation in trusts and wills. And if you have any questions about law, about American situation, please leave your comments in the comments column. And if there are a lot of comments, I will figure out the relevant situations. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And when I have the next video, you will get the notification. Thank you again for watching this video and have a good night. Thank you. Bye.